Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Centurion's icons, 94 OVR right back, how to exchange rewards, Javier Zanetti in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused, so I can challenge the event, how we can complete the quest so I can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap this exchange button and tap this Zanetti exchange. So this is the newest. Previously, we got Van Basten, Yaya Toure. In this week, we got Javier Zanetti. You can tap for the details. Tap again for the icon. Javier Zanetti, he had 3 traits: team player, celebration, and also skill moves. So if you need Javier Zanetti, you need legendary right bet with high OVR. You have to fulfill this condition. You need 8, as always, you need 8 tokens. So you can earn the token by exchanging. For example, you need 70 plus OVR player, 5 players, to get 1 token, and so on. Another example, the last token. Let's see, Zanetti token and pack 8. So you need 1 player with 91 OVR, 88 plus OVR player, 1 player, 86 plus OVR player, and 84 player with 84 OVR player, 7 players. If you're done, you can tap this exchange. You can get 2 starter pack and 1 Zanetti token. So I repeat, you need 8 tokens to get Javier Zanetti. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Press the text button below. Enjoy the game.